Alright guys, so if you're watching this, you are one of two things. You are a cosmetologist that either can't do men's haircuts or aren't very good or just trying to really perfect your men's haircuts, or you're a barber fresh out of barber school that have no idea what you're doing in your barber shop. This class is for you guys. So for the cosmetologists, this class is about bridging the gap and making it so y'all know how to do our haircuts and help us learn how to do your haircuts. The point of my course is to really help blend us together. We are an industry of cutting hair, and that's it. Whether you're a cosmetologist or a barber, we all cut hair, and that's that. And I'm so happy that you guys landed on this class. And for the barbers, walking into the barber shop your first year, or at least my first year, I had mad struggle. From holding the clipper blade wrong and not knowing why my haircuts weren't coming out the same as everybody else's, even though I was doing the same thing, to moving too quick and not cutting all of the hair with the clipper and leaving dark spots. There are so many tips and tricks that I'm going to go over in this class that's going to help you exceed. It's going to help you make your haircuts better. You're going to be doing perfect haircuts. You're going to be doing them quicker. You're going to be doing them smoother. Slow is smooth and smooth is fast, and I'm going to go over that over and over in this video. So stick around, guys. I'm so happy that you brought the video. I'm so happy that you're watching this. Hopefully you guys take out as much from this video as I've put into it. So let's get rolling, guys. Let's jump in.